GoPro open box, GoPro Hero 10. So I've been looking to get a GoPro for a long time, but I got the creator kit. So this is the mod. Shiny. The light mod. We got that. I got the Volta tripod. It's a battery grip too. This helps keep GoPro another 4 hours extra. This is the SD card. 32 gig. Media mod. Compatible for 10, but it says 9 over here, so I don't know. They all say 9 and then compatible for 10. Got this waterproof for my you could put anything you want. You could put your phone, you could put your camera and everything right here, so it keeps it nice and dry. Hyper Smooth 4.0, 23 megapixel, 5.3, 23 megapixel, 5.3K 60s, 4K 120, 33 feet underwater, GP2 processor. Let's just go with the main guy over here. Oh, the LCD is nice and big. It's almost like the whole camera. Hero 10 black. Ah, the battery is low. Powering off. Yeah. So the battery is low. It looks nice. It's smaller than I thought, since this is my first time. So that's about it, guys. Let's open this. Bilal, espera. Origin is like $130. They give it for 89 or 99, something like that. Feels very nice. Ooh, this thing, it doesn't move. If you don't put the camera on, it doesn't move. So about it for this. Put it right there. So this is the it's all right. And last but not least, compatible with 10.
It says the world's most versatile light.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books we got, man. What is this? Okay. The light. Are these supposed to be here? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. noise.
It's pretty bright for a small light. You guys can't even see it.
Can you look straight to the light?
Oh, it's even brighter.
Oh,
Yo, that thing is bright. Oh my gosh. Yo, okay. That thing is blinding.
So this is it. Creator kit. This, and the Volta. That's all I got.